Thinking of onboarding a new forging supplier? Ask this first before their silence cost you production time. I am Rahul Agarwal. I have worked with dozens of sourcing teams who made this one mistake. They focused on price, plant size, and lead times, but missed the questions that would have revealed the supplier's reliability upfront. It is easy to be impressed by shiny machines and certifications. A low quote or short lead time makes it easy to get excited. But what is the harder and more critical is knowing how a supplier will behave when things go wrong. Because the best suppliers are not just good when things go right, they are always consistent when even things go wrong. A sourcing manager shortlists a vendor. Everything looks good. Quote, timeline, equipment, and even the shop floor vibe. Then comes the first real order. Tooling gets delayed, delivery slips. No updates, no response. Then a pin drop silence. Suddenly, what looked like a great decision becomes a reputational problem inside their company. It was not the delay that hurt, it was the lack of transparency. The most competent sourcing managers I know ask this question before onboarding any supplier. What's your process for communicating delays, quality issues, or production risk? Not will you inform us, too vague. Not have you had issues before, they won't admit it. Ask about their process. Why? Because the process shows maturity. It shows they have been through problems and learned from them. What a good answer sounds like. We monitor key risk and alert customers if there is even a 10% slip risk. We provide weekly production status whether there is a movement or not. If there is a delay, we share the root cause, revised estimated time of arrival, and a recovery plan within 24 hours. What is a bad answer sounds like? We try not to delay. We will let you know if something comes up. Usually everything is on time. If they do not have a plan for when things go wrong, they are not ready for your business. Let's talk real consequences. The impact. The impact is production downtime, premium freight, last minute firefighting, internal reputation loss, higher long term cost. The reality, because no one flagged the delay early, because you had to recover lost time, because the supplier went silent until it was too late, because someone says, why did not you vet them better? Cheap price becomes expensive when batches are inconsistent. All of this because one question was not asked. 4 more questions to ask before onboarding. How do you track and share production status with clients? Looking for digital dashboard, weekly updates, or silence? Question number 2. Can you share an example of when something went wrong and how you handled it? Their answer will show if they take ownership or shift blame. Question number 3. How are your team trained to escalate issues internally? Do they have a chain of command or does everything get stuck at one person? Question number 4. What tools do you use to log and track deviation or NCRs? Excel sheets versus real-time systems like ERP, QMS. Now, one bonus question. Can we speak to one of your long-term customers about your communication practices. If they hesitate, you already have your answer. Now, a quick recap. Forging vendors are easy to find. Reliable ones are difficult. You do not need to guess, you need to ask. And the right question can reveal how they will treat you when things get hard. If you are evaluating a new forging partner, start with this question. How will you communicate when something goes wrong? And do not listen to what they promise. Watch how confidently they answer it. If you have ever been burned by a supplier who went quiet, drop a comment below or share this with your team. Let's raise the standard together. See you in my next video.